So are you the genius behind this? Do you come up with the choreography and the video?
We actually do everything with all members.
This is a tough round. Out of 20 acts, we're only going to be able to choose 7. So I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shut up. That is nuts, man.
This is a very difficult round. And we say the lamest thing, step it up, because who the hell knows what step it up means? But if there's a definition of step it up, you just did it.
Thank you so much, so very much.
Heidi?
Did you not feel me bouncing in my seat?
I thought,
Did you? I was.
I can feel you bouncing.
Yeah.
I was
I thought it was
dancing along.
Piers
I was-
bouncing.
No, it was me. I really like what you guys do. It's very original, it's modern, it's cool.
Thank you, thank you.
Piers, you are certainly a tough judge. What do you say here?
I didn't like it. No, I didn't like it because I absolutely loved it. I did this job for 6 years on America's Got Talent, and I was trying to think of any act I'd ever seen that had the kind of originality and creativity, and I honestly couldn't think of one that I think quite rivals the level you're already at. Now, you may be aware that I have this golden buzzer in front of me. Now, do you think that you are worthy of that?
You believe so?
Well, you would be right to think that because you're getting the golden buzzer.
Thanks for watching and click right here and subscribe to keep up with AGT.